Hello, I'm Tomoko.
And I'm Tomasz. So we are the chef couple behind Roji restaurant in London.
So we are going to make the scallop isobeage today.
Which is essentially a scallop tempura with a piece of seaweed wrapped around it. We have the dish on our menu since we opened Roji. I guess this is one of the most popular dishes. So we got these beautiful scallops from the south coast today. They came in from Salcombe Bay and we got lucky because we got a rather nice size of them as well.
Okay, we're gonna open the scallop now. So I'm gonna use a Japanese traditional opener. Take off the one side and take off the dish pot, the around once open it, and just pour up here so you can take off easily. It's done. And take off this one, and once it's done, you can just rinse it in the water.
So for next, we remove the scallops from the ice-cold water and we put them into the ice-cold salty sake water and leave them in there for 3 minutes. During this time, it could pick up some flavor of the kombu. So sake contains alcohol and alcohol is a really good solvent, so it could dissolve umami from the kombu and that could be picked up by the scallops a little bit. This way, we're gonna have hopefully a bit more flavorful scallops. We're going to remove the small muscle from the side of the scallop. So now we are ready to mix our tempura butter. So we have super cold tempura water, which is a mixture of sake and water, sifted and chilled, frozen, but not frozen anymore, flour. So this is the consistency you want to get.
And ready to fry.
So we use this Japanese black steel pot. We like to use a mixture of this sesame oil into our cooking oil just to give that nice flavor. This is seaweed from Hokkaido in Japan.
My mom likes to put the isobeage or the kind of everything like wrapped by the seaweed. So it's kind of memorial of my home cooking.
So the tempura frying is a really rapid process. We don't want to overcook the scallops. We just let the butter set to be crispy and the scallops are kind of in a medium rare state by the end of the cooking.
You can see when it's getting hard, the outside, you can feel it by the chopstick and now it's ready.
Here we go, looks beautifully cooked. So we're going to cut it in half, just a single stroke. And look at that, how beautiful it is. Put it back on the paper towel a little bit. So just a drop of lemon juice. Black salt. So we get some white garlic last year, managed to preserve them by dehydrating it and making it into a powder. And to finish, a little zest. Look at that, it's still moving.
This is a scallop isobeage,
which we are cooking since we opened Roji. From Roji restaurant by Tomoko and Tomasz on the W2 Kitchen YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.